We know that universe is nothing but your own subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind creates whatever you put in it as a belief. Your subconscious mind brings out the beliefs in form of people, situation and things. How people behave with you, how you react to situations, how many troubles you have in your life right now, everything is dependent on your beliefs. So it's very important that you only hold beliefs that are in favor of your desire. I know it's not easy because your beliefs were created since you were born. The people who have been around you, the people who were speaking around you, the things you were exposed to, the pictures you were exposed to, all had an impact on your subconscious mind, and they all created a belief in your head. But the good thing is you can change everything and every negative belief, but for that you have to recognize that what is the first negative belief and what are all those negative beliefs that are holding your manifestation. What are those negative beliefs which are not letting you succeed in your life? Okay, because it's all about your subconscious beliefs. The people who were and who are like literally doing something great in their life, like Jeff Bezos or Steve Jobs, they had a very strong and very powerful belief that they will do something in their life. They will be doing something extraordinary in their lives. Everything is dependent on their belief. Everything is dependent on your belief. So it is very, very, very necessary for you to reprogram your subconscious mind to the things and for the things you want in your life. How do you do that? Do you know that you can change your old beliefs and can manifest anything? For example, you can put as a belief that for every penny you spend, you get 10 more. You can make a belief that I always get everything easily. And when you say everything, it contains every little thing. It contains money, it contains love, it contains everything that you ever want in your life and you could ever want in your life. And basically anything you want can be embedded as a belief in your subconscious mind, and it is called NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. Through NLP you can change your deep-rooted beliefs and manifest the reality of your dreams. Once you say anything to your subconscious and it is accepted as a belief, nobody can stop it from manifesting. So how do you do that? How you can change your beliefs? The only way your subconscious gets reprogrammed is by repetition. So you can either repeat affirmations to yourself or you can do another thing which I will tell you right now, which I also do for myself. I have done this like several times to change my old negative pattern of thinking, old negative pattern of lack, old negative pattern of unworthiness. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make your own subconscious tapes. Now what are these? These are the recordings of your affirmations. Record the things you want to add as a belief in your head in your own voice and repeatedly listen to it whenever you have time. But the best time to do that is when you are asleep. Neville Goddard has said that when you are in a state akin to sleep, the doors to heaven open and you can literally manifest anything you want in your life. Why is that so? Because your brain moves from beta to theta state of mind, and your subconscious mind is the most reprogrammable in that state. So listen the recording during the sleep and go about your day normally, but remember to persist in your assumption and don't be like, oh, I still don't have my desire, I'm still poor, I'm still unhealthy. Don't be like that. Go about everything like this. Everything always goes in my favor, man. I'm blessed that I have the car of my dreams. My life is abundant. Don't be fooled by the 3D reality, since it is the result of your old thinking. Just trust that you are putting your commands into your subconscious, and when you sleep it will manifest, since that actually happens, and that's actually how you get everything in your life, and that's how you reprogram your subconscious mind very easily.